So this is the second part of the question. It's asking you to label the circuit for KCL, Kirchhoff's current law, and what I was expecting to, or I am expecting to, shows that you all know that the sum of all currents coming into a node is the sum of all currents coming out of a node. And here's tricky because it asks for at least 5 terms. And if you go around the circuit, there are not many nodes with five branches. But how is it therefore that I'm expecting you to solve this problem, right? If I just go around here, and several people I see painted the nodes, which is awesome. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4 branches, and this would give you just 4 terms. So this branch is not that good. I mean, this node is not that good. So now here, if I color this guy here, this is a good one, right? So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you could have used this. This one has only 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this is also another good node. So this and this could have been used. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. This only has 4, so you can't use. This has 3 only, 3 branches. So the KCL here will have 3 terms. The KCL here is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. KCL here will have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. And also here, it's going to have 3 terms. So really there are only 2 options, and here's going to have 3. So this problem can only be answered in 2 ways, and I'm going to answer the first one here, this pink node. And to write KCL for a pink node, this is the, well, several of them are defined already. This and this is defined, so I'm going to call this I7. And here I'm going to call IV from that power supply. And here I'm going to call this I2, but everything else is defined. So the KCL for that pink node would be I7 plus 3I1 plus 10 milli equals I2 plus IV. So I hope you see how, oopsie, you can see that, can you? I hope you see that this is solvable in, let's say, 3 minutes. And now let me try the other one, and I'll draw this one with green. This other big node here, I'm gonna paint with pink. So I did expect you to mark which node you're looking at. Oopsie. And this I1 is already coming in. This guy I'm gonna call maybe 8. This one IV is there already. This one I'm gonna call I10. This one I'm gonna call I11. And this one I'm gonna call I6. So this labels the current directions that I am then wanting to see that you actually can write the KCL with that. So everything coming into the node, I'm sure you guys know this one, I1 plus I8 plus IV, let me see, I think that's it, equals I6 plus I11 plus I10. So it's a sum of currents. I realize my eyes are not consistent here, sorry. That is what I was expecting for KCL, and the previous video showed what I was expecting for KVL in these in this particular question on the midterm.